Hey, Scott here, Rolling Country Outdoors, and out here today checking on the fire pit. Everything got burned up last night. I just need to probably get the excavator over here and get that one log, put it up on top to get it burnt. But it did a good job burning down, so we're gonna try to start getting this place cleaned up. I did do a little bit of dirt work yesterday, moving dirt around down here, trying to get this more level and more usable. We'll get some grass seed in here, but I started digging that stump out up there last night, and that tree that had fallen, I don't know if it was, well, I think it was earlier this year, but working on getting that stump out. There's a couple more trees that are dead right there. I know there are some leaves up at the top, but it is dying, and I want to dig it out and try to get it to fall over before it breaks, so I can get that stump out a little easier. The stump that I'm working on over there it's a booger. It's still not coming out, but I'll show it to you. Yeah, this is the next tree that's got to come down, and you can see it's dead. It's got leaves up there, but it's got a heavy lean and it's going to snap, and I think that one is probably not far behind it. I don't know if these got too hot. At one time I had a fire over here. I don't know if it got too hot or if it's just dead from disease, but I was working on this stump last night, but man, it is a humongous stump. So I'll work on this a little bit more today, see if I can't. I'm not gonna be able to pick it up, but at least I can roll it out of there. And then I should be able to push it down to the pit down there and get it buried at the very least. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be working on today. My goal today is not really the stump here. I can do that really anytime, but it's to get the RV out, because we got a camping trip coming up this week. Get it out so we can start putting stuff in it we need for the camping season starting. Get the Camaro out of the shop into the garage so I can start pulling stuff out of the shop that is going to go in the enclosed trailer for the Nebraska move in a year. But I'm trying to get organized and stuff out of the shop that I probably won't use the next year that I know is going to go to Nebraska, and then sort stuff that still needs to be sold on Marketplace. So that's kind of the goal. This is another area that I want to get cleaned up. This is where we had stacked the firewood, and this whole thing was full of firewood that we have sold on Marketplace. But this is that new grassy area that we created last summer by the creek down here, that it's kind of an eyesore back here. So I'm gonna move all of this stuff over behind our wood pile over there, and then open this area back up for grass and get this out of here. So I would like to get that done today. Also have to empty my dump trailer. I had put all that asphalt that we took out of the driveway before we concrete. I put that in the dump trailer, so I need to get the dump trailer dumped. We had to get that picked up so we get the RV out, because I got to use that area to get the RV turned around. And then I got a bunch of dirt piled up over there. I've got a dirty pile of dirt and then a clean pile of dirt that needs to be separated and stored somewhere and get out of the way. And I also want to get that mulch, or the wood chips, out of that area too, because I really need that entire area to maneuver that RV. It makes it easier getting in and out of there. So yeah, we're going to be kind of all over the place today, but that's usually how it goes. And a lot of it has to do with getting prepared to move next year, and then just kind of getting the property ready, getting the RV ready to use this summer. I think we've got 3 or 4 camping trips. We shrunk the camping trips down from a week. In the past, we've always done week-long camping trips, but with you this year, everything going on and trying to prepare for the move, we've shrunk it down to just long weekends. So we're doing, like this time we're doing Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and coming back on Sunday. And then I was able to sneak in an extra camping trip in this summer by doing that. So yeah, that's what we're gonna work on today. So hang tight, we'll get rolling here. We got that spread out. Now I need to get the other rock over there on top of here. So alright, I'm in here trying to get this tree that fell, or at least knocked down here. But I gotta cut it up first. Yeah, I was bringing the excavator down anyway, so I knew we wanted to get this log out of there, but we were going to burn it, but she put a border, so yeah. Anyway, all right, on to the next one, whatever it is, I don't know. All right, I'm over here getting this dump trailer filled with, I got dirty rock, dirty dirt over there. It's got rocks and stuff. This is clean, so I'll keep this separate. We're gonna get this loaded. We're gonna put up there on the mill or asphalt that we put down. So that's what I'm loading now. Okay, I got quite a bit of it loaded here on the trailer, enough for a full load. I don't want to get any heavier than that because that dirt is usually pretty heavy. Got a little bit left. I may get the rest of it with the tractor, and then I got to find what to do with this clean pile here. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it yet. We're full enough. We're gonna take this up there, dump it, and try to get that spread out of here. to get this rock spread out up here on the asphalt that we put down here, so we can park into the trailer here. So we're putting the finishing touches on this. Ron's better at finishing than I am, so we're going to put out the rest of those millings that I have over there. We'll make it all nice and level and nicey nice. I'm going to let him do that. Oh yeah, it's looking good. Almost got it cleared out here. Looks real good. Well, we are going to let him finish that. I know we've been all over the place today with projects, but that's just how things go. And a lot of this is related to getting ready to move, and getting ready to get the RV ready. So, but, glad to get that big burn pile burned down there. Get this spread out, get down below cleared out. So it is all good. Thanks for watching Rolling Country Outdoors, and hopefully you hit like, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video. Y'all take care.